and the time is near, because I don't know when the spirit is going to leave this body. I'm going to die, my dear friend. Maybe I'll go home tonight and I'll sleep and I'll never wake up. Am I ready to face my Creator? Have we thought that death could snatch me just like that before I blink my eyes? The time is near, because death is chasing me every single moment. And I'll leave you with this. There was this man running away from the enemy. This other guy was chasing him to kill him. And when it comes to life, everybody wants to live. Nobody wants to die. Life is precious, my beloved, because it's a gift from God. And everything that is from God is precious, of course. He is the precious of all precious, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. So he was running to save himself, running away from the enemy. Running, and he came, and there was a very deep and very wide valley. He could not jump on the other side. He can't go back. The enemy is running after him. What do I do? What do I do? Frantically searching for an scapegoat. He sees a tree sticking out of that valley. He said, you know what? I'll do anything just to save my life. He jumps, hoping that he's going to grab onto one of the branches of that tree. And he manages to grab on one of the branches, and he hides in the tree in the midst of those leaves. And while he's in that tree, the enemy is at the top waiting for him. He looks down at the foot of the tree. He sees two mice, one white, one black, eating away from the roots of the tree. He looks on the other side. He sees a lion with an open mouth, awaiting for his fall to swallow him. And he looks on the left. He sees a big python climbing up the tree to grab him and eat him. In the midst of all of that, my beloveds, the human is amazing. The enemy at the top, waiting to kill me. The mice, white and black, eating away the roots of the tree to make it fall. The lion with an open mouth, waiting to swallow me. The python coming up to eat me. A bee comes along and makes a beehive. And with the Lord's infinite wisdom, the sun's beam hits that beehive, and from the heat, honey begins to drip from that hive. This human being, knowing he is dead meat, forgot about all of that death, forgot about the enemy, the mice, the lion, the python. He said, wow, man, I'm gonna stretch my arm, and with my finger, I wanna see how sweet this honey is. The enemy that is chasing me all the time to kill me is death, sickness. Oh, poor guy, so-and-so died, had a heart attack. So-and-so died, had a stroke. Sickness is gonna take me whether I like it or not. And if I'm not gonna die with a sickness, I'm gonna die because death is gonna come and take me away. That is the enemy that is chasing me all the time. I'm forgetting about them. The two mice, white, the day, black, night. The day and the night. I get up in the morning and I say, oh wow, it's another day. And then the sun goes down, I say the night came. And then I get up in the morning, I said it's another day, another night, another day, another night. What is the day and the night doing? They are eating away from the tree of my life. They are eating away from the tree of my life. The day and the night. I'm getting older, and as I'm getting older, I'm getting closer to the grave. The lion is the grave. He's got his mouth open. The grave will swallow me whether I like it or not. You can say, from now till kingdom comes, I'm not gonna die. You will. The grave awaits everyone. I'm not being pessimistic, but I'm giving you a warning. Don't be tempted by the honey, because the honey is the temptation of the world. The honey is King's Cross. The honey is Star City Casino. The honey is Las Vegas. The honey is this stinking world, this filthy world, this ugly world is that honey. Do not fall for the sweetness, because in this sweetness there is poison, my beloveds. Poison. Poison. The python, Satan. Satan whispers in my ear to drive me to doing the wrong things. I'm forgetting and I'm thinking, I'm here forever. Let's have fun. What fun? The time is near. God bless you.